Gulabu, who defeated death and introduced Kalbilia to the world, does not require any introduction. She was about to killed as a girl child when her father supported and helped to overcome the difficulties posed by society. And now she lives a meaningful life with due respect and honor. We are talking about the dancer whose father named her Gulabu, the Rose. She had a difficult childhood and worked as a snake charmer with her father and the Rose of fame in the world. Her life would be continue to inspire generations to come by telling them that anything is possible with hard work and determination.
I don't do it for money and fame. I do it to save daughters, to ensure independence to women who are still not allowed to come out their houses. I want them to identify their real strength and be on their own.
अपनी ताकत को वो पहचान सके कि हम भी एक औरत एक मर्द को हम जन्म दे सकते हैं तो हम किसी से कम नहीं हैं.
Gulabu was born on November 9th, 1970 at 7 in evening in Kotla of Ajmer in Rajasthan. Gulabu was initially named Dhanavati as she was born on Dhanteras, but later she was buried alive because of conservative attitude and as her mother come to know about it. She along with her sister took her out of the cave and left her live a free life.
She wants to study and would want to dance like her grandmother. She says she learns dance from her.
कैसा लगता है आपको?
मुझे अच्छा लगता है.
Gulabu's childhood revolved around snake to earn her bread. She danced with them on the tune of the bean. She got her first breakthrough in 1981 when Tripti Pandey, a government official, noticed her art and gave her a chance to perform on the stage. It then took a new height on international scene.
I don't want to miss any of my programs because of lack of funds. I am so excited to dance that if I am asked to dance on the road, I would do it. Wherever Rajasthan's names is mentioned, I go there running. It would help our state and the country.
Gulabu showcased her talent outside the country in 1985 when Pandey took her to the US. She did not have either a passport or the ghungroos that time. No passport would be issued to a minor, so her passport was made with fake age proof. As she was preparing to leave for America, her father passed away, and that was a huge setback for her as she was quite close to him. She did not lose hope and went ahead with the plan with the permission of her mother. After her performance in America, she was offered US citizenship and asked to teach dance there only. But she refused it and come back to India. She met then Indian Prime Minister Mr. Rajiv Gandhi, who was really impressed with her as he come to know about her desire to work and live in India only. She got a Rakhi tied by her and took her as sister.
तो राजीव गांधी जी आए थे, सोनिया जी और ये उनके प्रियंका जी।
Rajiv Gandhi, the former Prime Minister, came to me after my father died. He condoled the death and said he could not fulfill the void created by his death. On which I said you could always be my brother, and I tied a Rakhi to him.
Gulabo has performed in India's big reality show, Big Boss. Not only this, she opposed government by dancing for 15 km in the road of Jaipur, following which the government had to accept the demands of artists.
She would like to take further the dance form invented by her mother so that it does not die. It runs from one generation to others. The name of my mother must not die with the dance form, but it should go further.
At the times, sayings are out of history and get related to the lives of people. Gulabo's philosophy of life is one such example which makes it clear that no can kill the person who is protected by the God Almighty. Bureau Report, ETV Bharat.
To watch 24/7 News Live, download ETV Bharat app.